to today's Harloc hair guide. Today's tutorial, we will be covering all things ponytail extensions.
Give me that Ariana Grande dance.
Because we want to whip it.
Yeah.
Whip it real good.
I also would like to have a facelift without paying $20,000 for it, so let's do this.
All right, that's so we have a couple things that Michael would like me to do today. For any ponytail with the clip-in extension, you're gonna want 2 ponytail holders, whether they be a full ponytail holder or a bungee elastic. Today I'm gonna be using the boar bristle Mason Pearson brush, a tail comb for sectioning, any form of a nice gel or pomade. Today we're going to be using the Shuamara Cotton Uzu product, one of my favorites, as well as a Stronghold hairspray. This is the Superfine Stronghold by Orbe. I'm going to be starting our first section, which will be your first stabilizing ponytail. About 2 inches back from the hairline, take your tail comb and leave that first section out to create the base. For your client or yourself, always make sure that you're looking in the direction that your ponytail will be worn. Sometimes people tend to flip their head back or flip their hair forward. That will add a little bit of an extra bump in the back or in some of the areas. And just continue to brush this all in the direction and into your hand and into the placement you're going to be wanting your ponytail. You can add a little bit of hairspray at this point just to tame down any of the flyaways that might be occurring while you're creating the first base. Once you have all of your hair compiled into your left hand, if you're right-handed, ensure that your elastics are on your wrist or set on a table next to you. Take your first elastic and start with a nice tight finish.
You great?
Yes. Now that the first ponytail holder has been applied, your ponytail is exactly where you would like it. Now you can see why that first position is such a great place for you to be. You'll be able to have less hair in your hand and ensure that your ponytail gets the most pristine, sleek finish that you are looking for. Now that you have your second section in your left hand or non-dominant hand, take a little bit of pomade between your fingertips, smooth out those flyaways. Continue combing all of the hair back and into your hand. You'll take your second elastic, place it below your first one. Our Harloc ponytails come with the Velcro base, a singular clip, and an extension on the end to perfectly wrap around and enclose any of your elastics or anything to ensure.
Just get rid of that word. You said it a few times.
No, to ensure. Just to make sure you get that perfect pony closed in for any event or day-to-day wear. You'll start with the clip open, flip the ponytail over, snap the clip into that elastic base. You can hear it pop. Grab your ponytail or your client's ponytail in with the extension. Attach the Velcro to itself. Flip that over and just keep on wrapping it. When finishing the ponytail, you'll have a little piece of the end here. You can either braid this section or just leave it nice and smooth. Take a small amount of hairspray. Thank you, Vanna. And and tuck that right and tight just around.
Sara likes it right.
I do. Just around the base of the ponytail. And there you have it. The Harloc Extension Perfect Ponytail.
Who am I? Am I Ariana yet?
Much like any other of our Harloc products, the Harloc Ponytail, you can use heat tools on it. You can wash to your discretion if you've used it a few times at home.
And that's just because it's real Slavic Remy hair, honey.
That's true. Nothing but the best.
Yeah. No, absolutely no synthetics in any of our products.
Now you can see just how easy it is for yourself or you with a client on application of a Harloc Ponytail Extension. How's that feel?
Fully transformed into my full Ariana self.
Are you ready to whip it?
Yeah.
Thank you again for joining us today on Harloc Hair Guide. We hope you enjoyed and we hope you whip it.